Hi everyone, I have an apple. How to say it in Chinese? Don't worry, today we'll learn Chinese with apple. Super easy, no difficult words. You'll get it in 5 minutes. 苹果，苹果，苹果，苹果。Very good. 苹果就是 apple.I say an apple. Chinese is 苹果. No a or an. Great question. In Chinese, we don't use a or an. We use 量词. For apple, we use 个. 一个苹果. 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 Attention.Don't say 一只苹果 like 一只猫. Apple uses 个一个苹果 not 一只苹果. Look, 2 apples. In English, apple, apples. But in Chinese, it's super easy. 苹果两个苹果. Listen carefully. English changes the word apple to apples, but Chinese doesn't change 苹果. We just add the number and 个. 一个苹果两个苹果3个苹果，不管多少个都是苹果。一个苹果，两个苹果，3个苹果。Wow, so easy. 苹果们。Don't say 苹果们。Chinese nouns have no plural form. I'm eating an apple. In Chinese, we don't change eat. We add 在 before the verb. 我在吃苹果。我在吃苹果，我在吃苹果，我在吃苹果。I ate an apple. English changes eat to ate, but Chinese adds le after the verb. 我吃了苹果，我吃了苹果。We can also say 我吃过苹果了，我吃过苹果了。过 also means past.我吃了苹果，我吃过苹果了。我吃了苹果，我吃过苹果了。I will eat an apple. English uses will, but Chinese uses 要 or 打算 before the verb. 我要吃苹果。我要吃苹果。我打算吃苹果。我打算吃苹果。我要吃苹果。我打算吃苹果。Let's recap. I am eating an apple. 我在吃苹果。I ate an apple. 我吃了苹果。I will eat an apple. 我要吃苹果。See, Chinese verb never changes. Just add 在了要。So easy. Now follow us and practice.Hi, what are you doing? 我在吃苹果。What about you? 我吃过苹果了。哦，我打算再吃一个苹果。我可不可以也吃一个苹果？ Of course. Here you are. 一个苹果。谢谢你。我打算吃苹果。You are welcome. Today we learn Chinese with apple, 苹果，一个苹果 and 3 tenses. Remember, 苹果 apple, 个 quantifier for apple, 在 了 要 for tenses. Did you get it? Comment below. 我会说苹果了 and like this video. Follow me for more easy Chinese lessons. See you next time. 下次见啦。